Oh, I did. Literally, the first week I had the car, I left the doors open for 2 hours and killed the battery. Brand new battery.
I mean, it looks pretty bright. I mean, how much of a difference?
Unless you have incandescent and LED side by side, you
Oh, let's do it. Let's do the test.
Wait, you don't. I think you had LED.
Can you hit the like the hazards or something? See how that looks. Yeah, I mean that's fine. You know, so that looks good there, and then yeah, it's like the same. It's pretty much the same thing.
At night, it makes a difference.
Everything's brighter with the LEDs at night, huh?
It is. Yeah. It definitely is.
Yeah, and those LEDs are great.
You're gonna spend $600, you get the LED headlights.
Oh, right,
They don't change the look of the car at all.
Okay.
The thing I like about the LEDs is that the white actually looks like bluish. A really, really bright white.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was wondering how I was going to do that. Then I started researching it, and I know there's a circuit board that you connect the lights to. And I was
you
like,
buy that from DeLorean UK or the DeLoreanGo.com.
okay.
DMC sells them as well, but just buy them from DeLorean UK.
DeLorean UK?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Oh, could you do me a favor and hit the brakes? I just want to see how much more brighter it gets.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, yeah. Let's check these out. Are you hitting the brakes? Yeah, they're not. Nothing's happening. Oh, you got to put the key in, huh? Oh, there you go. Yeah, they're on now. Yeah, it's like, well, I think with the LEDs, it lights up more. Is really what it is. The same brightness, but it's more coverage within the housing. Yeah, it fills it up more. Yeah.
Why haven't you done the LEDs?
Oh, yeah, I'll get to it.
Yeah. So, OCDeLoreans.com. Go to the website, join the mailing list.
OCDeLoreans.com.
Yeah. Or just go to Google and search for Orange County.